religion.
United by diversity.
We all are Indian.
Both the batches have started with full of energy and full of motivation. Hi everyone! Who believes to be the most confident person? A group presentation to be taking place.
It is a feeling for an Indian of big.
Hi everyone! Guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? Guys, I want everybody to just hold your horses. Means थोड़ा सा patience, थोड़ा सा confidence, थोड़ा सा awareness and थोड़ा सा attentiveness class में जरूर रखें. And in today's session, we are going to have battle between Visionaries versus Elite. So let's have a big hand for Visionaries and Elite. Guys, see, I want you people to be stay calm, silent, and little bit attentive, because whatever going to take place in today's session, that most probably would be taking place in all the sessions tomorrow. Means, आप आज लोग आए हैं तो कल आपकी भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स हैं. You yourself know. कल 2 बैटल्स हैं, 2 फेस ऑफ हैं. एक 5, 8 और 9 के बीच में है, दूसरा 3, 4 और 9 के बीच में है. So guys, I want a member to stand up from here who is going to understand each and everything. A member, stand up fast. A member from here. Fine, both the coordinators, former coordinators. Who believes to be the most confident person who is going to start first with the appreciation? Let's have a big hand for him, guys.
Whenever I forget to think about my batch, then a song comes in tune in my mind. That song is सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे, सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे, विजनरीज तेरे बिना, विजनरीज तेरे बिना. And I would like to say a shayari for my batch. That is that whenever we are forgetting anything, okay, so we remind a batch called as business. So let me tell you, सुनो जरा ये दिल से दिल का राग, सुनो जरा ये दिल से दिल का राग. बैच विजनरीज है अपने में ही अलग अंदाज, बैच विजनरीज है अपने में ही अलग अंदाज. आज अकेडमी के स्टेज पे चमकेंगे ये छोटे मोटे अनकैन से नन्हे मुन्ने सितारे, बट सपने हैं इनके बड़े, लेकिन है बहुत दिल के प्यारे. And at last I would like to say that this batch is not only just having different qualities, having an emotion of doing anything and having an emotion to connect words into big things, and therefore only this batch is known as the vision of visionaries. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, today you are not about to see a batch. You are going to about to see a story. That means you are going to see Elite. You know, Elite, there are Elite is a batch where the multiple personality is available. You know, we don't copy the trends. We made it. And you know, when everyone wants to shine, and Elite wants to be a bulb. And you know, there are multiple personality. You know, Kamna, Khushi, these are the voice of Elite. They always want to, you know, whenever we feel low, they always take us like, Aditya, you can do it. Aditya, you can do it. Even, you know what? Today I am here because of them, and that's it.
Right? Both the batches have started with full of energy and full of like motivation, I would like to appreciate both the members right here and would like to say we are going to have a wonderful session right now. I mean, even I am getting excited to you people, like how exactly you're gonna perform. So after going with this particular debate, I want a group presentation to be taking place. That would be of 4 minutes. Guys, here we have got 3 students, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And they are going to present their views on India. So here we go. Start, guys.
A country full of colors, full of diversity, unity, and everything what we cannot find in another country. That is India. We are having this country with lot more festivals, region, and so on. This country is full of happiness. If you go in some of the states like Uttarakhand, you can only find the happiness. When you keep your first step on this rich, fertile land, you feel so happy because of their festival, and this is also rich in minerals and also for the spices. This country is having so many diverse geographical features of India that are Gangetic Plains, the Himalayas, Thar Desert, Cold Desert, and so on. The Gangetic Plains, it has a fertile land which can let you give so many facilities. The Himalayas with snow and all. So this is the benefits of India.
But talking about the disadvantage of India, it's many things. First of all, you will see less jobs. Means see there are too much people who live there. That's why there is no type of jobs. Moreover, the people have mindset over chauvinism. Chauvinism says that people are more attractive towards the things drugs, alcohol, all this type of stuff. Moreover, India is also not a good country to live because of infrastructure. You can see anywhere the infrastructure is not good. You can see the small puddles on the road and many other things. Talking about the civic sense, India is not having too much civic sense because you can see people just split here and there, throw trashes here and there. Now talking about the advantage of India, that you can see more unity. Means people are too much united and they can do work by teamwork only. And talking about the second thing which improves the India because of fertile land, because you can see in India there are many things, or you can say mainly 6 type of sources of soil.
Well, India, everybody know about this, that, good, bad. Do you know where India is located? Do you know the size of India? Let me tell you. India is having 30 longitude and latitude in itself. Well, in India, there is 32.8 kilometers square feet area of land area. Then if I talk about longitude or latitude, what about latitude? 8.8 degree 4 minute east. We are having in latitude 38 degree 25 minute east. We are having latitude. Confirmation? Then we are having longitude. Longitude is having approx 67 degree to 25 minute east and 97 degree 36 east. India is a peninsular country. So the coastal line of India is 75.7516 kilometers square, where it is Arabic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. And in the conclusion, I would just like to say that India is a diverse country, but India government is not. If India government will be working very productively, India will be developed very rapidly.
Divided by religion.
United by diversity.
We all are Indians.
Guys, that was lovely seeing visionaries here. Now this is the time to see elite. So let's call 4 warriors of elite. Hello, bhai.
Guys, imagine and close your eye that a nation where a million of heartbeats are there for a nation, the dedication of a nation which you can see in our Operation Sindoor as well as every state, every color has a different festival, every language has a different songs, and every dedication, a unity, a diversity called as a nation India.
It is not a nation or it is not a country. It's Indian of billion of hearts. And you know more about it. Let's see about more.
Before it, we are moving around the things. Let's break out the India that whether the India is living is a good country to living or not. Let's talk about the cultural diversity is equal to mental health. Living in India is like to living in the 100 country at once. Over 22 major languages, hundreds of dialects, dozens of cuisines, and a bunch of festivals every month. It is a diversity of long time investment where the India invested themselves, where a person can find themselves through the diversity. It is a time where a person can engage themselves in others' activity. India is also a spine of the world. It is known as a spiritual spine of the world. When we know ourselves, when we engage ourselves in the different activities, just meditation, yoga, and a lot more, it gives us a sense of unity. Through the diversity, we can enhance and we can experience in the sympathy and the unity as well as. It is a youth powered nation. There are 65% of people is under 35. Who are engaged themselves in a good ideas, produce a long elasticity employment and a lot of things. The young mind comes along with the creativity, new techniques, and along with the new ideas as well as and perspective. It is a starting in a booming starting of economy. India has 100 plus unicorn. It makes India different from others. It gives India is capable in by itself. It gives the chance to others to find themselves in the way.
India is full of heritage and these all things, and India has the thousands and crores of thousands of years heritage, and the from other countries like China, Nepal, and these all countries, our state is more heritage, and here so many festivals are there like Onam, Holi, and Eid, Christmas, and all of them are celebrated here only. Diwali, and these all are the one of the festival that celebrates in all over the country. And I want to even say that here every type of religion you can find, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and Sikh also. And there is also so many people, so like there is a huge number of Hinduism in India, and here we find so many states with different cultures, and every culture has the different part.
As we all know that India is a country with diverse culture. And what makes it diversity? Why we have such a diversity? Why have we such this kind of diversity among ourselves? Because of these states, because of 28 states and 8 union territories we have right now. And whenever I say culture, if I say about a particular state, then we are going to remember something about that particular state. If I say Tamil Nadu, then we are going to say their dosa and the cultural dance. If we say about Kerala, then we are going to say that it is a land of ancient temples. If I say about Rajasthan, then I'm going to say that it is a land of kings, where once kings had ruled. And if I say about Punjab, it is a land where five rivers assemble. Apart from that, each state has its own history. If I say Jammu and Kashmir, have you ever wondered that why Jammu and Kashmir got its name as Jammu and Kashmir? Why don't say it some other name? The reason is that there was a king known as Jammu Lochek, because of which that name was named. The name of the state is named upon it. And yeah, that's it for today. And